Hello and welcome to SIE Batch. This is a video tutorial designed to demonstrate a new security information exchange platform and service from Farsight Security called SIE Batch. SIE Batch is used to download slices of channel data stored on a Farsight-operated SIE server. To log into SIE Batch, you'll need a valid API key. If you don't have one, please contact your sales representative, support representative, or get in touch via the link on the login page, shown here. To get started, enter your API key and click the Login button. Once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the dashboard. This is where you can download SIE data. Here at the top of the screen is where you can select a specific channel and a date range to download from. For this demo, let's use the newly observed domains channel, or channel 212. Upon selecting the channel, a channel size estimate is shown as well as the minimum and maximum date range available. As you can see, this channel generates about 10 megabytes per hour and uses the new line delimited JSON format. Other channels would use the end-message binary format, depending on their volume. Let's get a small sample of channel 212 data by selecting a date range. These dates will be automatically converted to UTC date times, as indicated by the helper text. Then we'll click the Start button to generate a download link. The generated link will appear down below alongside a Copy and Download button. Clicking the Download button will begin a download of the selected data. If you hover your cursor over the Download button, a size estimate of the data will appear. Downloaded data will be saved to your default browser location. Clicking the Copy button will copy the link to your clipboard. You can then share with someone so they can download the data too. Generated links are tied to your account and are subject to your license, access, and terms of service agreement. Old links may expire or become inactive depending on your account status and SIE data retainment window. Let's move on to the quick download section. Here we can select from a number of preset download buttons for each channel. Clicking these buttons will start a download with the corresponding time frame. For example, clicking the 5-minute button for channel 212 will begin a download spanning from the moment the button is clicked to 5 minutes ago. These buttons are really useful for gathering quick samples of channel data. They're also useful for batching data across a known outage period if your access to the real-time SIE feed was interrupted in the past. Each of these buttons has a download size estimate associated with them. Hover your cursor over them to see how large each download would be. Finally, at both the bottom and the top of the page is a link to the API documentation. If you're interested in automating SIE batch downloads, then you'll want to give that a read. There's also a link to the channel guide that outlines the typical volume expected for each channel. With that, we finished our introduction to SIE Batch. If you have any questions, please contact your sales representative. If you have any feedback, please don't hesitate to reach out.